Guys, we got a Copperhead 52 standing out front of TMG pits, tall and proud, baby, ready to go. About to load up on a trailer, ship it across the country for my man here. Let's check her out before we do. Start off on the firebox side back here. Now we do have an insulated firebox here, fire magnet trailer in the bottom. We did the custom stainless steel sign up top here, Sweet Willie Swine. D-ring tie downs on all four corners on this rig. Come around to the hot box. Now guys, let me tell you what's special about our hot box here. At TMG Pits, we love America, okay? And the way we express that love for America is inside this hot box here, it has 1,776 square inches of cook space. Guys, when you get this pit, you wanna measure these grates out, let me know what it comes out to, 1,776, all right? Trust me. If you wanna measure it, double check me, let me know. Anyways, up top, we have 3 sausage rods up top. Take all your grates out, hang sausage, ribs, whatever off the rods. This hot box does run independent from the smoke chamber, and how we do that is we've got a removable plate down here with daisy wheels, so you can crack the daisy wheels open, get a little hotter, you can take the whole plate out and get direct fire in there. It works great. He did upgrade to a stainless steel front shelf here. We'll open up the smoke chamber. Now this is our, like I said, Copperhead 52, so it's 52 inches long, 24 inches deep, bottom and top sliding trays. You got a lot of cook room in the Copperhead. This is a reverse flow smoker, so we got removable plates down the bottom. That directs the heat all the way across, back out of the stack. Speaking of stack, this is a fold down stack on this unit. This sucker is tall, so if you're trying to roll in and out of your garage, get that fold down stack. It is on our off-road package as well, guys. Upgraded wheels and tires, looking sharp. And on the rear here, we've got a folding shelf, fold it up, lock it in place, prep off of it, stir off of it, you're ready to go. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.